us to focus on biology and look at questions that you should be expecting, questions that could come out, right? I've been seriously dropping videos for you to help you prepare and pass. Our goal for all of you in our channel is 300 and above in this JAMB. 300 and above. So I want you to claim it, but beyond claiming it, I want you to pay rapt attention. Give me your attention. JAMB is not like WAEC and NECO, right? It's on a whole different level. I want you to be serious. Let us review questions from biology, right? Let us review these biology questions. It will also help you to learn. So I want you to give me all your attention. Question number 1. Yellow fever is caused by A. Tsetse fly, B. Female mosquito, C. Black fly, D. Virus. The answer is virus. Number 2. Bats and birds' wings. Bats and birds. I hope you can see the question. Bats and birds' wings show dash. Bats and birds' wings show dash. A. Divergent evolution. B. Convergent evolution. C. Adaptive radiation. D. Parallel evolution. If you watch this video from now to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables. If you are serious, if you watch to the end, I will know you are serious, and I'll give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question on biology, on use of English, and the other subjects you are writing in JAMB. Bats and birds' wings show that A. Divergent evolution. The answer is convergent evolution. Anyone we do and you don't understand, remember to consult your biology textbook. Go and read it up. Go and read it up. And the questions we handle here, I want you to watch it over and over again. All the video, this is part 2 you are watching. I've done another video on questions from biology, and we'll keep doing more videos. If you need me to give you free link to all the videos we've done on biology, let me know. Just indicate in the comment and I'll give them to you free of charge. Okay? Which blood type is large and nucleated? Which blood type is large and nucleated? A. Red blood cell. B. White blood cell. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. Which blood cell is large and nucleated? Red blood cell, that is the one that has a nucleus and is large. I want you to make a research and come back and tell me. Which part of the brain controls the heartbeat? Which part of the brain controls the heartbeat? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. D. Cerebellum. D. Olfactory lobe. The answer is medulla oblongata. Recall also that at the end of this video you will get those materials I promise, JAMB syllables and JAMB past question. The supporting tissue which are essential for young plants is dash. The supporting tissue which are essential for young plants is dash. A. Parenchyma. B. Collichema. C. Sclerochema. D. Xylem. The answer is collichema. You can make further research on this. Which of the following distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? Which of the following distinguishes a plant cell from an animal cell? A. Presence of mitochondria. B. Absence of cell wall. C. Presence of chloroplast. D. Absence of nucleus. The answer is C. Presence of chloroplast. Remember that a plant cell has chloroplast. There is presence of chloroplast because a plant cell has chlorophyll, which they use for photosynthesis. Okay, are you following? Number 7. Which of the following characteristics is used to produce disease-resistant plant varieties? Which of the following characteristics is used to produce disease-resistant plant varieties? A. Heredity. B. Variation. C. Evolution. D. Adaptation. Which of the following characteristics is used to produce disease The answer is heredity. Number 8. The shape of the ear is a type of dash. A. Continuous evolution. B. Physiological evolution. D. Discontinuous evolution. D. None of the above. The answer is continuous evolution. We have encountered 2 or 3 questions from evolution. What does this tell you? Go over to your biology, modern biology, or any biology textbook and read up the title, the topic on evolution. Okay? Which of the following is the largest game reserve in Nigeria? Bauchi Game Reserve, Yankari Game Reserve, Benue Game Reserve, Yobe, of course, is Yankari Game Reserve. Yankari Game Reserve. The association between shark and remora fish is dash. The association between shark and remora fish is dash. A. Commensalism. B. Saprophytism. C. Parasitism. D. Mutualism. The answer is mutualism. There is something the remora fish does for the shark, and there is something the shark does for the remora fish. So it is mutualism. They have a mutualistic relationship. But then I want you to go to the comment. I want to give you an assignment. Second assignment is go over to the comment and define commensalism for me. Then define saprophytism for me. Define parasitism for me. Then define mutualism for me. You can see them on the screen. Don't jump and pass. Some of you do jump and pass. I give you assignment, you jump and pass. You've encountered any strange concept, you jump and pass. No, that is not how to prepare for your JAMB. So tell me the meaning of those words, please. Intelligence, question 11. Intelligence, reasoning and memory is controlled by A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Hypothalamus. D. Thalamus. The answer is cerebrum. 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 Intelligence, reason and memory is controlled by cerebrum. Cerebrum. I want you to note it. The part between epidermis and pericycle in a stem is dash. The part between epidermis and pericycle in a stem is dash. A. Cortex. B. Xylem. C. Cambium. D. None of the above. It cannot be none of the above. Now the answer is cortex. A. Cortex. Syphilis is caused by dash. A. Treponema pallidum. B. Bacillus anthracis. C. Neisseria gonorrhea. D. Vabo cholera. The answer is Treponema pallidum. A. I think it's one of the STDs. The spider is different from the prawn in the position of dash. What is the distinction between the prawn and the spider? A. Anenia. B. Jointed appendage. C. Thorax. D. None of the above. The answer is anenia. Anenia. Anyone I mention, you can go over and do further research on them. Which of the following soil samples is not waterlogged and has less and which of the following soil sample is not waterlogged and less aerated? A. Okay, I think there's an issue with these options given. The male gamete in the plant is dash. The male gamete in the plant is that A. Pollen grain. B. Anther. C. Stigma. D. Filament. The answer is pollen grain. Which of the following is located at the base of a midbrain? A. Pituitary gland. B. Thyroid gland. C. Pons. D. Cerebrum. Pons is the answer. Which of the following is a micro decomposer? Which of the following is a micro decomposer? A. Mushroom. B. Earthworm. C. Termite. D. Bacteria is bacteria. Of course, you know bacteria decomposes. Okay. When blood flows from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, the circulation is dash. When blood flows from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart, from heart to lungs and back to heart, the circulation is dash. A. Double circulation. B. Pulmonary circulation. C. Systemic circulation. D. Single circulation. The answer is pulmonary circulation. Question 20. The order of complete metamorphosis is dash. The order of complete metamorphosis is dash. A. Egg pupa, larva, imago. Egg, larva, pupa, imago. See, egg, nymph, adult. D, egg, larva, adult. The correct sequence is egg to larva to pupa to imago. Right? Now, question 21. In apogee germination, the dash. A, cotyledons are above the soil. B, plumo is below the soil. C, cotyledons are below the soil. D, none of the above. In the next video, we will continue from question 21. What I want you to do now, for you to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, remember, beyond getting free JAMB past question, remember to keep watching these videos. Watch this video again and watch part 3 and the other series and everything we have done on biology. If you also want me to give you the link of all the past question and answer series we have done on chemistry, physics, mathematics, use of English, Lekki Headmaster, just indicate the subjects. Tell me to give you the link to the videos on that particular subject and I'll share them with you free of charge. If you need to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus, what you need to do is just join our YouTube channel. You can see join, click on join our YouTube channel, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this comment and say I have subscribed. Remember, join, like, share and subscribe. Once done, come under this comment and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send all the resources to you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.